Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create thumbnails by using Canva. Also, I wonder why you want to create thumbnails from Canva. It is maybe because you think Canva is the most easiest way of creating thumbnails, or maybe you think it has more opportunities or more content through which you can create better thumbnails. Or maybe you find its templates more useful and easy to create thumbnails. Whatever the reason it could be for you to create thumbnails from Canva, in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First thing you have to do is you have to install Canva from App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have installed it, just simply open it by just tapping on its icon, and it will take a while to open. And once it get open, you will see its interface and a lot of options there. Here at the bottom we have different options, and on the top we have different options, and even in the middle we have a lot of options. Every option has its own purpose. So for that, what we have to do is we have to find an option through which we can create thumbnails. On the top we have different options through which we can find the thumbnails. But if you can't find the thumbnails, you can also search it from the top search bar. And even at below we have 5 options. Through these 5 options you can see the fourth option, which is templates. If you click on it, again you will see a lot of different templates, and from these templates you can easily create a thumbnail. And if you can't find the thumbnail from these options, what you could do is when you go to this option templates, you will find a search bar there. On that search bar you just have to type for thumbnails, and from there you can get the templates. And from these templates, if you use them, you can customize them and can create your own thumbnail according to whatever you like. So here I'm just typing thumbnail and I'm selecting YouTube thumbnails, and there you will see a lot of different options. So what you have to do is you just have to select whatever you like. For example, if you like the color or maybe the image or the text, or overall you just like the idea of that thumbnail, you can select it. You just have to simply tap on it, and then that template will open, and then you can customize it. So I selected this template because I liked it. So now what I could do with this template is that first I can change the text that is written. I can write whatever I want. Whatever your thumbnail is about, you can type it. For example, the title of your video is that earn 1k per day on daily basis, so you can type something related to it in your thumbnail. So you just have to simply click on that text and can write whatever you want to write. You can even change its font, its color, its size, its style. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underlined, or maybe you can move it in the middle, in the right side or the left side. There are other options as well through which you can change the text and can do some customization. You can even replace the picture from your mobile phone photo gallery, or you can do different kind of changes, like you can move its position, you can change its color, and there are other options available through which you can change or customize the picture. You can also change the background color. Whatever color you like, you can select it. There are multiple colors available. So in general, you can edit and customize the thumbnail as per your preferences. Whatever you like, you can create it, and after that you have to click on this option, and by doing it, it will get saved into your mobile phone photo gallery. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create thumbnails on Canva. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.